Hi, and welcome to the virtual world of Peripole music. My name is Ray, and I am one of the sales reps here at Peripole.
And I'm Kalani, and I'm a consultant and clinician for Peripole, and I'm excited to be here with Ray to show you all some of the new products and the products that have been around that you've come to count on for many years. We're just excited to show you the booth. So Ray,
Yes.
I see the recorders, and I'm used to seeing the dark blue and the gold colored bags, but these look a little bit different.
They are a little bit different. So what we've got here are our Peripole Silver recorders.
Okay.
Our old ones are now called the Peripole Gold. So the only difference is these are a slightly more economical version of our Halo recorders, but like our normal ones, they do come with the German fingering or the Baroque fingering, and they come in the yellow and blue bags to tell the difference. You want to give them a shot?
I'll try one. I'll try the Baroque because that's what I learned on way back in Orff level 1. But I see this does come with the Halo Hanger with the breakaway.
It does. The breakaway is very important for safety.
All right, let's see. What do I still have it?
You've got it. I knew he still had it.
I got it.